Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use L-Carnitine from GNC. L-Carnitine is a naturally occurring amino acid derivative vital for energy production. It helps transport fatty acids into your cell's mitochondria, where they are burned for energy. Understanding this process is the first step to effectively incorporating it into your routine. We will cover simple steps to get you started with confidence and ease. For optimal results, a typical daily dosage ranges from 500 milligrams to 2,000 milligrams. It is often recommended to take L-Carnitine with a meal, especially one containing carbohydrates, or immediately after your workout. This timing can enhance absorption and utilization. Remember, consistency is key. Taking it regularly will yield the most benefits over time, supporting your energy and fitness goals. The primary benefits of L-Carnitine include supporting fat metabolism, which can be helpful for weight management goals. Many users also report improved exercise performance and quicker recovery times after intense physical activity. While generally safe, it is always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplement to your regimen, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. GNC provides a wide selection of L-Carnitine products, available in convenient capsule or liquid forms. When choosing, always review the product label carefully for specific serving sizes and additional ingredients to ensure it meets your needs. Begin with a lower dose, such as 500 milligrams, and gradually increase it as your body adapts. This easy method helps you integrate L-Carnitine effectively into your daily routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.